Good morning everyone, this is Bob from Better Off Burnt. Today we're going to be looking at the 40650, the classic Land Rover Defender. This is a really cool set in my opinion. I mean, I haven't even built it. Apart from the color, I think it's going to be a fun build. So yeah, today we're going to be doing I would say a complete build. So yeah, let's open it up. We have 3 bags, instructions, 1 loose piece. I'm hoping the stickers are somewhere because I believe there's a sticker sheet somewhere. But we'll find out. Oh, there's a sticker sheet. Oh, it's hiding away. Yeah, can I pick it up? Cool little grill. So, yeah, let's get building. Okay, so that was a fun little build. I know, I'll be honest, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm definitely going to change the color to a red or a blue, either dark red, dark blue, and dark green, if I can get these little modified bricks. And most of the parts seem to be quite easy to change. I mean, the roof comes off. Nice little model for a 90. The one thing that I will be doing is taking this off straight away. I personally think that's more realistic. I know it does have a bulge on the old 90s or the old Defenders. When I say the old Defenders, I'm talking about the Defenders with a certain motor in it. They call it the Puma motor. Has a bulge in it, but obviously when you go a bit more back to some of the classic ones, there was no bulge. Yes, the grille is slightly forward, so going for more the modern Defender, but I personally think that without that it looks a lot better. It actually suits the shape. The other thing I'm definitely going to do is I think these tires are too small. So I've got some bigger tires already. I know they're in yellow. See, that looks a lot better. Just slightly bigger tires. Compare the size to them. These are more little on-road tires. I mean, have a look at those. There's not much to it compared to these. Yes, they might have to turn around. I don't know, which one do you think? This way with reverse or this way with the spokes showing? I was thinking going for an even bigger tire, but they don't even fit and they look very, very big for this. So one thing I will be doing is we'll be modifying this slightly to include these tires because right now they catch on the mud flaps. Other than that, that was a fun little build. I'm quite excited about it. I did buy myself 2 of them. I might have to go buy myself 3 or 4 just because I love this little Land Rover so much. I will be doing I have built a mock from Replicable, so we'll be doing a video on that. So if you like what you're watching, just let me know. Hit the like up. Yeah, and thank you very much for watching.